See how you came and you turned my life around. Very memorable because I was born into a family of 6 children. It is more like a struggle. I have a whole village around me. We can easily hear the sound if no be you, tell me why for day today. Waiting I for be today. You are there for me. See how you came and you turned my life around. Daddy, you taking me everywhere. Onyenzo Pota, you know it for my hand. Neche, as an azame bereo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are very much welcomed. Why I prepared this my sumptuous breakfast, let me tell you guys a story and also give you guys update. If you have followed my channel from day one, you will know that I have series of village vlogs. I officially started vlogging when I traveled to the village last Christmas season. And as you guys already know, Christmas is around the corner. And of course, I am going to be showing you all a lot of activities from the village. If you have not seen my other videos, please do well to check them out. I will be leaving the links in my description box and also down in the comment section. Regarding that, let me give you a snapshot of what village life looks like based on my childhood memories. I was born into a family of 6 children, which is considered a big family in Africa. This really made my childhood fun and very memorable because I don't go about looking for kids to play with since I have a whole village around me. Plus, in my village, you can easily find kids playing under the mango tree, udara trees, and so on. Just get ready for me because I will definitely carry you guys along to show you how we pick udara over there. In the village, children are often found picking udara during the day. You can't pass by the udara tree without seeing one group of children or another. Aside from school days, the udara tree no dey ever rest for where children are. It is either they are playing there or using sticks to knock down the ripe udara fruits that refuses to fall off the tree. You will always find village kids doing one thing or another under the udara tree. It is as if it is their second home. As an adult, you rarely get a chance to pick udara during the daytime. It is more like a struggle. So adults often resort to picking udara at night when the children must have gone to bed. During most nights of the dry season, the wind will be blowing heavily. This is when you find most members of the family sleeping outside to enjoy the freshness of the air in full. The strong wind will be swaying the branches of the trees back and forth, causing the ripe udara fruits to loosen from their stems and start falling off. Because our house is very close to the udara tree, we can easily hear the sound of the udara fruits falling to the ground, and we will quickly storm out to start picking them. Each person brings their own flashlight to carefully locate the direction in which the udara fruits must have fallen into, because most times it will hide in between dry leaves. It is always a fun experience for me. Plus, Who doesn't like to enjoy fresh, sweet, and succulent udara fruit?
Tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. Don't cry. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. Better tomorrow. There is a better sorrow, don't cry. Better tomorrow for you and me. Bye bye. Better tomorrow. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. No more sorrow. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Is it one name Biko, don't cry, just believe in a better tomorrow. God will bless us one day, everything will be okay. And if tomorrow comes, we'll be making inyanga. Is it one name Biko, don't cry, just believe in a better tomorrow. God will bless us one day, everything will be okay. And if tomorrow comes, we'll be making inyanga. God will bless us one day, everything will be okay. Is it one name Biko, don't cry, just believe in a better tomorrow. God will bless us one day, everything will be okay. And if tomorrow comes, we'll be making inyanga. One day, don't cry, don't cry. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. One day, don't cry. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. Better tomorrow. There is a better sorrow, don't cry. Better tomorrow for you and me. Better tomorrow. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. No more sorrow. We tell our sorrows, bye bye. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, but you the cash. Below me, Onyeji cash. Chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, but you the cash. When you get the cash, you gonna sell life to the sweet though. Everything in my yes, because you carry the naira. Makanova, maka, oh man, a jaka bilonia, soccer. Makanova, maka, oh man, a jaka bilonia, soccer. Bilonia, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, Oji the cash. Bilonia, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, Oji the cash. Bilonia, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, Oji the cash.